Yeah, let's look at one more interesting question on mixtures this time. So in a chemistry lab, there are three solutions of an acid, which is A, B, and C, with the concentrations of 45%, 50%, and C% respectively. Fair enough. If 100 ml of A is mixed with V ml of C, to produce a solution of 60%. Now, one very lovely method of solving this becomes whenever we are whenever we are mixing two solutions, we can always use alligations. So I have 45% of A mixed with C% of C, okay, to produce a 60% solution. Now we know that the average lies between the lower value, this is the lower value, and the higher value. So when we alligate, it's always larger minus average is to average minus smaller. Now this should be the ratio of quantities. So I have 100 ml of A and I have V ml of C. Clear, guys? Now it says when 100, so in short, what we can write here is we can write this as 6C minus 60 divided by 15 is equal to 100 divided by V. So this is one equation that I have. And I've used two variables. That means I need one more equation here, okay? Now the next part of the question says if 100 ml of B is mixed with V ml of C. Now B has what concentration? B has 50% concentration. C has C% concentration. Clear? Then they together come up with 62% solution. So if there is a 62% solution, clear? Effectively, what do we get here? So that's 50 minus 62, that is 12. Clear? And again, 62, 50 is a smaller value. That means C is the larger value. So this becomes larger minus average. Now this should be the ratio of quantities in which I'm mixing them. That is again going to be 100 is to. So from here, what can we write? We can write C minus 62 by 12 is equal to 100 by V. Now this is my second equation. Now an easier way to solve is I have 100 by V on my left hand side and 100 by V on my right hand side. So if we equate 1 and 2, we get C minus 60 by 15 is equal to C minus 62 by 12. So this is 3 5s and this is 3 4s. So this becomes 4C minus 240 is equal to 5C minus, this is going to be 310. Or in short, we get 70 is equal to C. Now, do not commit the mistake. The value of C is equal to 70. The question has not asked you the value of C. And you see that 70 is also one of the options. So be a little careful. C is not what we are intending to calculate. We want the value of V. Let's replace in any one of the equations. So 70 minus 60 by 15 is equal to 100 divided by V. So 70 minus 60 is 10. So 10 ones are 10 tens. And when I cross multiply, I get the value of V is equal to 150. So can be a seeming trap here, right? So 70 is not your answer. In fact, 150 is your answer. So this question is also in a way testing, are you reading the question statement carefully or not? So I think we're looking at the calculations and all. Again, somewhere around 120 to 150 seconds becomes an ideal time to solve this question. And I think alligations becomes a best possible way to answer this question. So I hope you found this solution helpful. Thank you, guys.